CNC machines are advanced automatic machine tools such as drilling machine, milling machine, lathe machines, which are controlled by computer numerical control system. A CNC machine processes a piece of material such as metal, plastic, wood, ceramic or composite to meet specifications by following a coded programmed instruction and without a manual operator directly controlling the machining operation. Hi everyone, I am Sagar Jadhav, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this video, I am going to discuss types, methods and application of a part programming for CNC machine. So let's get started. For any automatic action taking place in CNC machine requires part program to be fed in the computer of the machine. The part program is a sequence of instructions which describe the operation which has to be done on the part in the form required by the controller of the computer numerical control system. In the programming, all machining codes are compiled and these codes are translated into a language which can be understood by the control system of the machine tool. It is the task of preparing a program code from a drawing sheet. This code is fed into the CNC computer using a standardized format. Let's see how this part programming is done in the CNC. There are two types of part programming. First is a manual in which part program is fed manually into the computer. The second one is computer aided part programming in which final design of the part is fed and the computer itself generates the path and the program. The various steps in the part programming are to be followed by the programmer. These are: first is the study of component drawing. The part drawing is studied in detail for which operations can be done. Second is to decide sequence of operations with which complete part can be manufactured. Based on the operations, the machine tools are decided and cutting tools are selected. Based on operations, tool paths are decided for manual operations. But in computer-aided programming, tool path is decided by computer itself. Now, according to the machining time and feasibility of machining parameters are decided. Example, spindle speed, velocity, feed rate, depth of cut, etc. are decided. Then other parameters such as starting or stopping of machine, spindle and coolant are decided. Then it is necessary to set up plans for tool and job. Example, clamp and unclamp of the job, automatic changing of the tool, etc. are also decided. After this, the program is written in the specified format as per controller of the machine. Mitsubishi and Fanuc are the controllers used widely in the modern CNC, which require slightly different coding formats. In the next step, program is tested for any error in the coding. If any error persists, the changes are done accordingly. And the last step is to document the part program and take an approval from the seniors.